I'm Dr. Manish Patel, board certified plastic and cosmetic surgeon from Goa, and I have got two clinics, one at Madgaon and another is at Panjim. Today we are going to discuss about the permanent laser hair reduction. This is basically a state-of-art treatment for permanent hair reduction. And we usually come across the age group of 20 to 40 years of the women who are working in a corporate group or a working woman. Nowadays, even the males are also coming up for this particular procedure. Now, the procedure basically, who is the ideal candidate? Usually, the dark, thicker skin, thicker hair, and lighter skin are the best candidates. But again, a clinical examination will tell more about who will be the ideal candidate. Now, procedure consists of, before procedure I talk, let me tell you, there are, because of this different skin types, we use different type of lasers. Like sometimes you must have the diode 80 nanometer, sometimes you heard of 755 frequency or 1064. So basically these are all the advancement with laser technology which are used it for different hair to be taken care of. Now we have got 808 also. Along with that, nowadays we have installed the newer laser machine which is triple frequency, which has got 808, 755 and 1064 frequency line to take care of different type of the skin. Now basically the procedure consists of, we mark out that concern area with the white pen, shave that area, and then we pass the laser energy. Now the laser energy goes to the root of the base of the hair, to the root, and it bursts it out. That is how. Now you must be wanted to know how much the painful it is. So you feel like a light rubber band snapping on your skin. Yes, and with the newer technology where we have got the sapphire tip which creates -4 or -4 degree of temperature, you will hardly find any pain at all. Post laser surgery, you will feel a bit of a swelling into that area, which usually settles very fast. Sometimes a bit redness or itchiness, which usually with the help of the ice packs. Sometimes we advise you certain cream which consists of antibiotic and steroids and a moisturizer cream will take care of all these things. But definitely avoidance of the sun, avoidance of the tanning, and be gentle on the skin by not applying hot waters is advisable. Nowadays, we are coming across a lot of male patients also coming to us because, to be very frank, thanks to Varun Dhawan and Salman Khan for this particular treatment to be popularized in man, because sometimes certain areas like ingrowth of the hairs in certain areas become very troublesome, and that gives rise to a little bit of a pain, discomfort, or is hair infection leads to all these problems, especially for the people who do cycling, who do the gymming, or who are into a lot of health related exercises. Along with that, sometimes those people who are into the airlines staff, they do not, or even any corporate person who doesn't want that axilla, because sometimes we also come across very heavy perspiration in the axillary area or certain areas, and it stings. It sometimes makes marks on your clothing and makes a social embarrassment. So most of the time males, we suggest them, sometimes they want to do the beard shaping also, so that also helps in men. Now certain things which I must say, that there are certain misconceptions about the laser hair removal, that it is not permanent. So certain areas like axilla, bikini area, leg and all this, they respond very well, and you hardly have to, after a complete course, you can sometimes go to once in a year or 6 months for some touch-ups. Otherwise they are permanent into that thing, but it's a permanent hair reduction. Certain areas we face where lot of hair follicles and we cannot go beyond a certain power, you have to come to us after 6 months or 1 year for some touch-ups. Now the most important thing, cost. Now you have to be go to a board certified physician who has got this USA FDA approved lasers, which make a lot of difference in the treatment planning, the experience of physician, the working arrangement of that clinic setup, hygiene. All these are very important to take a decision about which laser center you should go. Cost, I always believe in cosmetic surgery that if you believe on that particular physician or setup, even if he charges more, you should go to that person rather than on a person who is charging you less but certain facts which you have to find out. Now this is what about the laser hair removal, and thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like it, subscribe it. Thank you so much.